Hey guys, so today I want to do this quick little tutorial with Zoe. She wanted to be a unicorn, so I decided to do this quick little makeup tutorial with her. She's super excited. So the first thing I'm going to do is just kind of fill in her brows just a little bit, just kind of add a little fill. So I didn't want to make this tutorial super in depth because she is a kid, and this is for something if you just want a quick look for your kid. I'm not using a ton of makeup on her face because they have baby skin, so I don't feel like she needs a ton of makeup. So then I'm going to take some concealer. I would prefer using a white shade, but I just grabbed what I had on deck already, and I'm using this concealer just to kind of prime her base for the next eyeshadows. So I'm loving the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this is the palette I'm going to use for the full look. So I'm starting with this red shade, so I'm doing like a full rainbow eye on her. She wanted rainbows, so I did red. I did 3 colors on one eye and 3 colors on the other eye. So I'm going to do red, orange, yellow on one eye, and then I'm going to do green, blue, purple on the other eye, because that's how she wanted it. So it's just super simple. Everything was blending, just blending all the colors in together, and because the light was so bright you couldn't really see the orange too much, but there's orange there. So honestly, I should have just left it the way it was, but I wanted to add some color on the lid, so I added more concealer, and then I went in and added like this highlighter from 1675 Cosmetics, which is called Glow Up, and I wish I would have never added that to the lid. So if I was you, I would definitely omit this step and just leave it the way it was with the rainbow eyes. But I tried to go back and fix it and added some pink on the lid, which turned out kind of cute also because she wanted pink in there somehow. So I just added some pink eyeshadow to the lid anyways. So I wanted to add a ton of blush because I wanted this to be like a really unicorn look. So I added her blush from the apple of her cheeks all the way up to her forehead, and I added a little bit on her forehead because I really want this blush to pop and to have that rosy look, kind of like how Rihanna did for the Meet the Gala look. That's what I was going for.
So I'm gonna be rainbowed up.
So next I'm taking that same 1675 highlighter that I put on the lid, and as you can see it's like a purple like metallic highlighter, and it's really perfect for any unicorn majestic look. So I'm just adding that to her face. Since she had a small face, I kept putting too much, so I just blended it out a little bit. So next I found this little gem thing at Target literally for $1. This look is super easy and very affordable if you need a last minute costume, especially for yourself or for your kid. This little gem set was $1 and it's for your face, and I didn't even use all the gems, but you can definitely use all the gems on their face. I just did some above her eyebrow and on her forehead, but you can use some on her cheeks, on their nose, but I didn't want to go overboard. It was just a lot of gems for her tiny face. So no unicorn is complete without any type of colorful hair, and of course she wanted pink hair. I was trying to find the rainbow braiding hair, but I couldn't find it at the beauty supply, so I just picked up this pink one, which she preferred anyways. Zoe loves pink, so I just added a braid on a rubber band, and I just added it to her ponytail so that it matched her other braids that she had in her hair, and I just put her hair back how it was. And the pack of hair was literally like $1, so all in all, it's a really affordable look. Lastly, I found this cute little unicorn headband also from Target, and it was also $1. So I just added that to her look to complete the final look, and she was now a unicorn. And lastly, I needed a bit of sparkle on her lips, so I chose this Profusion lip topper, and this is in the color Imagine, and I just added it to her lips, and it has a metallic look to it. It's gold and pink at the same time, and I think it was perfect for this unicorn look. And that's it, guys. That's the final look. She looks super cute. It's not too much makeup, and I think it's perfect for Halloween. See you guys later.